Hi, this is Drew with the Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets all finished up higher last week. First week in a while, we've had all three corns, soybeans, and Chicago wheat higher. All three currently higher so far this morning. Seeing beans get a nice little pop this morning, and then corn and wheat, as noted, are higher as well. Have some weather, not scares, it's not a scare, I don't want to say that, but some weather issues. It's been cool and wet throughout a lot of the Midwest and the Northern Plains this weekend. If you watched any college football, you probably saw that. If you watched any Northwestern game here in Chicago, it was wet. Over in Michigan, Indiana, for the Notre Dame game was wet. So probably not a big surprise to hear me talking about that if you had a full slate of college football this weekend. So that wetness is delaying harvest. We're already a little further behind the normal 5-year pace than we usually are. So that combined with the weather we've had this weekend causing a little rally here in the markets. Also, if you're not harvesting, you don't have farmers selling their grain as well, and that's not creating any pressure as well. So that's likely the reason we're seeing the nice little bounce we've got this morning. Also, some short covering ahead of Friday's WASDE report. We do get a WASDE report out on Friday, so we'll give you the estimates on Thursday and Friday morning, and then have a post-report video on Friday as well. So a little bit of profit taking. Market's been short, so when you're profit taking a short position, you're buying it, sending it a little higher this morning. Also have the US dollar a little lower, so that's a combination of factors on why we're higher so far this morning. But moving forward this week, especially the Northern Plains and the Northern Midwest have some pretty good harvest weather. We'll have to see how that pans out moving forward, but that's why we're higher this morning. That's really all we've got this morning. So if you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.